You have been in a situation where there are certain things you want to afford, but you can't buy them. You're just sitting at home thinking about your life and you don't really know where to go from next. This video is going to be giving you a clear cut on how you can become financially free and how you can do that all by yourself, having the right mindset, having the right vehicle that will take you into the success that you want. As humans, we all want to be the center of attractions everywhere we go. But when you are in that cash flow prison, there's a tendency that you will not be able to achieve everything you need to achieve or everything you want to achieve in life. Having enough money is not just enough, but having unlimited money should be your goal as a young person. Having unlimited money gives you access to people, to places, and to time that you wouldn't normally have access to. And if I, a young Nigerian boy, can achieve that, you should be able to achieve that too. This YouTube channel is new because I have been in the background building life experiences, going through all the pains, so that a time will come where I'll be able to share with you so you don't have to go through them. It would be great if you can subscribe now to open door to new wealth for you. This video is going to be divided into 3 steps. And the first step I'm going to be talking about is the vehicle that is going to take you into making your first $30,000. The first thing you need on your way to making $30,000 is a vehicle, which can be picking a skills or seizing an opportunity. When it comes to skill selection, it may sound cliche, but there are hundreds of people making $30,000 daily, monthly, or weekly by picking a skills that is easy to learn and easy to monetize. For example, Harvard University gave me a $30,000 gig to develop a website for them using just WordPress. That brings me to my first skills I'll be recommending to you: web development. I know when I talk about web development, most people think about coding. Web development with WordPress is a great starting point because it doesn't require coding knowledge. It takes about 1 month or a few weeks to learn how to develop websites with WordPress. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how Harvard gave me a job worth $30,000 in 1 month and wanted to fly me from Nigeria to the US. Another vehicle that will get you to your first $30,000 or even more is content creation. We live in the age of content where everything is content, from brands to companies and even politicians. If you're a content creator, you can make a lot of money in this present age. You don't have to be in the video if you're a shy type or you are the type of person that does not want to show your face. There are faceless YouTube videos, and you can also offer your skills to brands who are in need of content creators. You could be the idea behind the content and still make your money. I'll be showing you how to convert this raw material into a raw product and how I am able to achieve that myself. Now to step 2, learning and mindset. Whether you choose web development or content creation, you need time to learn these skills. I will give you a 1 month no bullshit curriculum to learn these skills and start being profitable immediately. Remember, learning is just one step towards making your first thousands or even $1 million. You also need to believe in yourself and prepare yourself for the wealth to come. I will share with you a sheet at the end of the video of my mindset building affirmations and every other things I do to build a mindset for the type of money I am preparing for. And before you go ahead in this video, I want you to ask yourself some certain questions. You need to ask yourself if you want to do this for long or you just want to use it to raise funds for your passion. In this case, your passion might be photography, but you can use web development to raise money for the gadgets you are going to be needing for the photography. Another question you need to ask yourself is, do I want to do this as a freelancer or as an agency? If you want to do it as an agency, then you'll be needing a lot of documentations. But if you want to do it as a freelancer, all you just have to do is put your name out there, which I'll be showing you at the end of this video, and brands will come for you. Remember, what I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video, you don't need to apply for any jobs. The works and the jobs will come for you. And now to step 3 of how to attain your $30,000 financial goal. Write down what you need $30,000 for and how many clients you will need to be able to achieve your $30,000 goal, or even your first $1 million. Be sincere with yourself and don't be emotional about what you write. How do you now turn everything we spoke about into your $30,000 or your $1 million goal? To turn everything we've discussed into your first $30,000 or even your first $1 million goal, you will need Google. You are going to be needing LinkedIn and ability to craft enticing content. You won't need to apply for jobs. Like I said, the jobs will come for you. If you search for the best digital marketer in Canada or the best digital marketer in Nigeria, my name pops up first. This is how Harvard found me. What you're going to be doing is developing a high quality articles using AI. Create a LinkedIn profile and post the contents as an article. I am going to be showing you an example. So all you have to do is go to LinkedIn, click on article, and use my content as a template to show ChatGPT what it should write. So you'll get a ChatGPT, get LinkedIn, paste the content from ChatGPT about your niche, for example, best content creator in your area or best web developer in your area. Then you're going to paste it into LinkedIn articles. From there, LinkedIn articles has an SEO system that allows you to rank in any country or in any place you want to rank if you know how to use your keywords well. And that's why I tell you, always ensure to go through my own posts on LinkedIn to use them as your templates. After making this post, all you have to do is sit back for about 3 weeks and your post is going to be ranked. And in a case where your post is not ranked, all you have to do is also copy that same post and paste it on platforms like Tumblr or medium.com. When you paste it on these platforms, you are going to ensure that the write-ups have enough SEO keyword, and you're also going to be using the black hat SEO trick to rank this keyword, just like I did my own. But first of all, you need the skills. After learning the skills, doing this won't be a problem. So you see the progression of how you can make your first $30,000, or even the same process you can use to make your first $1 million. Depending on the type of client you are able to land through this SEO trick I have just shown you. So number 1, you need to get the skills. Number 2, build the right mindset. Number 3, prepare your mind and know what you want to use the money that will be coming for. Number 4, go ahead, develop an SEO trick using my content. Just like I told you, in Canada, I rank top best digital marketer in Canada. Same thing for Nigeria, and same thing if you search for who is the king of digital marketing, I'm also going to pop up. And this is how major brands across the world are able to find me. So if you find this helpful, all you have to do is go to the comment section and let me know what are your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe.